morning, traders. My joy and pleasure being with you on this spectacular Monday morning. Why is it so spectacular? Because we're opening up at institutional support levels, where buyers been stepping in with vengeance in December, in January, in February. So this is what price have done instantly at the open. We discussed with Alpha Fibonacci traders this before market open. This is market open. Stunning and flawless. Dow skyrockets 80 points instantly. Did we expect this? Of course. We discussed this with students before market open. So this is what intelligent trader does. Few minutes before market open. It's very, very simple. Stunning and flawless. Workday 3 minutes. A manual 25 points. Manual 15 points right before market open. And that's ultimate support for each other. That's ultimate preparation. And as you could see, manual 5 minutes after market open is done. So when the scanner keeps lighting up, instant and endless alerts, why in the world is this playing out? We're at institutional levels this morning, traders. This doesn't happen very often. When it happens, intelligent trader takes advantage of the markets. On this institutional software chart, software showing you clearly why at the open Dow skyrocketed 200 points in a couple of minutes. Software showing you clearly why to expect selling pressure. It's very black and white. We're at institutional support traders. Not the place to ever short near. If you're ever shorting near, success rate on shorts less than 5%. 200 points in a couple of minutes. Intelligent strategic trader is extremely well prepared. So here comes the buyers again, traders, and again and again. We're dealing with institutional levels this morning, traders. Phenomenal, spectacular, very sharp moves on both S&P and Dow. So if you know days, weeks in advance where institutional support is, on morning like this, you do not leave the screen. You're trading with institutions. When Alpha Fibonacci Trading System identifies months in advance, this level is critical. This is critical support. This is a reason for 200 points bullish reversal at the open. It's expected and reflected by software on this chart. And that's the reason market right now at critical level, at critical resistance. This was crucial support, this was stunning. This is critical resistance, traders, that will determine markets for the remainder of the day. So here's a stunning and flawless reminder, nowhere to enter, nowhere to exit. Software is showing you this is critical resistance. We've been here for the last 20 minutes. Nothing good is happening here right now. Intelligent trader on sidelines. Intelligent trader has zero interest to acquire position into brick wall. This is a test. This is brutal. Buying into resistance should never, ever, ever be an option. Never, ever, ever. Buying at support is a brilliant thing to do on this stunning institutional morning. All identified months in advance, never after the fact. And that's intelligent, strategic, institutional trading. And that's your workday, less than 5 minutes. So intelligent trader will forever remain with basic concept. Buy at support, not into resistance. Brutal 30 minutes, absolutely brutal, flawless start of the trading day. 200-point bullish rally in a matter of minutes came from institutional support as expected, as identified months in advance. So here's identical support on S&P 2014, 15, 16. Identical level except S&P at 1800 number. This critical support respected. Critical support on monthly, bullish trend inception on weekly. And what do you see ahead? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 2800 level. Critical support respected, market skyrocket to 2800. Market starts selling off. Market in brutal correction 2018. Intelligent trader understands this is lifeline on S&P to the downside, which correlates very clearly with ultimate support 2500 level, with next level again to be 2300, which again is a crucial, absolutely crucial support, not the place to ever short near. So when the market starts rallying from this exact same level that has identical significance this morning and had identical significance in 2016, it's a stunning reminder. You decide if you want to trade 5-minute or monthly or weekly. Choice is yours. Price does exact same thing. Price has identical significance. No matter what chart you trade, this is a level in a play this morning in front of you. This is the reason Dow skyrocketed 200 points at the open. But intelligent trader extremely well aware why market in so much pain right now. There is nothing good is happening here if you choose to buy at Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Market full of baits, not trades. So please forever obey basic concept. Buy at support, and when institutional support is present, do what intelligent traders do. And that's Alpha Fibonacci traders on this magnificent Monday morning. Bread reports late 4.25 points on S&P. All Dow traders are done. All Dow traders been extremely well prepared to trade from institutional support. Nothing here to do except walk away. So if you would like to trade with institutions and not against them, if you'd like to trade as intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader and trade less than 30 minutes per day, I look forward working with you. Simply decide on what you want to trade. Simply decide on the option available for you. We still have very few spaces left, which are closing out in the next few days for the biggest discount ever, for the lifetime license of software, for the lifetime license of multi-market scanner with 3 months guided live trading or 6 months private mentoring only. You decide. All the details on the product section. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply fill in the form on website or send the email to 925-257-4298. As this is what intelligent traders do. Walk away from the screen when market full of baits, not trades. And that's stunning Alpha Fibonacci morning again and again and again.